Welcome to India Today, So South, and I'm Sarah Fasil. In a significant address this morning on Independence Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a strong case for the implementation of a uniform civil code in India, highlighting the outdated nature of the current laws that, according to him, create divisions within the country. Prime Minister emphasized the urgency of adopting a secular civil code. Modi pointed out that the Supreme Court has repeatedly urged for the implementation of a uniform civil code, reflecting a widespread belief that the current civil code is in fact communal. He stressed that only through a secular and uniform set of laws can India eliminate discrimination based on religion. Let's find out what he had to say.
हमारे देश में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बार बार यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड को लेकर जो चर्चा की है, अनेक बार आदेश दिए हैं, क्योंकि देश का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग मानता है और उसमें सच्चाई भी है कि जिस सिविल कोड को हम लेकर के जी रहे हैं, वो सिविल कोड सचमुच में तो एक प्रकार का कम्युनल सिविल कोड है, भेदभाव करने वाला सिविल कोड है। ऐसे सिविल कोड से जब संविधान के 75 वर्ष मना रहे हैं और संविधान की भावना भी जो हमें कहती है करने के लिए, देश की सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी हमें कहती है करने के लिए, और तब जो संविधान निर्माताओं का सपना था, उस सपने को पूरा करना हम सबका दायित्व है। और मैं मानता हूं इस गंभीर विषय पर देश में चर्चा हो, व्यापक चर्चा हो, हर कोई अपने विचारों को लेकर के आए और उन कानूनों को, जो कानून धर्म के आधार पर देश को बांटते हैं, जो ऊंच नीच का कारण बन जाते हैं, ऐसे कानूनों को आधुनिक समाज में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है।
The Prime Minister also called for widespread discussions on the issue, urging citizens to share their opinions. He asserted that laws dividing the country along religious lines have no place in the modern society. He noted that discussions on this topic have taken place in the past, but now more than ever, it is need of the hour to abolish discriminatory laws and establish a common set of rules for all citizens, regardless of their political affiliations. Let's listen into what he had to say.
प्रदेश में चर्चा हो, व्यापक चर्चा हो, हर कोई अपने विचारों को लेकर के आए और उन कानूनों को, जो कानून धर्म के आधार पर देश को बांटते हैं, जो ऊंच नीच का कारण बन जाते हैं, ऐसे कानूनों को आधुनिक समाज में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है। और इसलिए मैं तो कहूंगा, अब समय की मांग है कि देश में एक सेकुलर सिविल कोड हो।
But the speech of the Prime Minister on Uniform Civil Code hasn't been received well by the opposition, where leaders like Pawan Khera of the Congress slammed the Prime Minister of taking oath of the Constitution and then calling the Civil Code written as a communal one in nature. Let's listen in.
किसी से बात कर दीजिए, लगता ही नहीं कि देश का प्रधानमंत्री बोल रहा है, लगता है बीजेपी का एक छोटा मोटा नेता बोल रहा है। ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री हैं देश के, उनको अपने पद की मर्यादा का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। संविधान की शपथ लेते हैं और बाबा साहब अंबेडकर द्वारा बनाया गया कोड, उसको आप कम्युनल कोड कहते हैं।
On the other hand, Rajya Sabha MP and senior advocate Kapil Sibal refrained from commenting on the UCC statement of the Prime Minister, stating that he wouldn't respond to statements that could sound divisive.
On Independence Day on statements of this nature. The Prime Minister is free to make such statements, but I think on a pious day like this, when we are celebrating our independence, I don't think that I should, respond to statements that may appear to be divisive.
State BJP President Annamalai endorsed what Prime Minister Modi said and even stated that Uniform Civil Code implementation, a secular one, in fact, would allow people to be free from the bondage of religious-based laws.
About secular civil code, meaning that the laws that governs us as human being, the institutional mechanisms, how it has to be religious neutral. And Prime Minister has also quoted right from the Constitutional Assembly debates to the provisions of the Indian Constitution to the Supreme Court judgments at multiple times, urging the political class, the executive class, to look at Uniform Civil Code, a secular civil code, so that people get free from the bondage of religion, which governs their daily lives as an institutional policy. We are very happy that Honorable Prime Minister has doubled down today, and you all know many BJP run state governments have already bought different versions of Uniform Civil Code. And today the PM has very clearly said the government's intention is to bring a secular civil code.
Years, the BJP has championed the idea of a uniform civil code, a key element in their political agenda. The aim is to replace India's religious-based laws with a unified legal framework that governs issues like marriage, inheritance, and divorce uniformly for all communities. Modi's stance is clear. The current system, which allows certain communities, particularly the Muslims, to follow their religious laws, needs to be revised for the sake of national unity. This push for a secular uniform civil code has been a cornerstone of the BJP's platform, and several BJP-led state governments have already taken steps towards its implementation. Notably, the BJP-led government in Uttarakhand passed such a code earlier this year, serving as a potential model for the rest of the country. Now, the question that India Today So South stands to ask today is, do you support the view of the Modi government that the need of the hour for India is to implement a secular uniform civil code? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching India Today So South. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I'm Sarah Fazil.